brown suits. Growing old is my only danger. Cuckoo clocks and plastic socks, lampshades of old antique leather. Nothing is weird, not even a bit. All the boots made out of feathers. I keep walking miles till I feel a room beneath my feet, or the hawking eyes of an old stuffed bull across the street. Nothing's the same till you see it again. It will be broken down to litter, even the clothes everyone knows that the dress will never fit her.